Hi Sassy Crafters, welcome back to our channel. I'm Leah with the Sass & Crafts Florida team, and in today's tutorial we will be marbling two small makeup brush holders. All of the materials used in this video are listed below in the description with the affiliated links. Let's go ahead and get started. We will be using Marabou's Easy Marble marbling paint for our project. For our teal glass we have turquoise, aqua green, rich green, white, black, and gold. Before I start, I fill a tub about 7 by 13 inches with room temperature water. I also shook each bottle well to let it mix because the contents separate when it sits. To begin, I put a few drops in sporadically of each color, letting them create their own pattern. And this is my pattern. For this glass, I put it on my hand and dip it into the pattern and slowly move my hand through it while turning the glass. Now I'm going to set it aside while it dries and get my next glass ready. Before putting the next set of paints in, I'm going to use a stick to stir the excess out. On this purple glass, I'm using aubergine, amethyst, lavender, white, gold, and black. I'm going to do the same thing with this glass and drop the paints in the water to make their own pattern again. And here is the pattern. Now on this glass, I'm going to turn it on its side and twist slowly into the pattern. And here it is complete. I noticed this gap on the side of the glass, so I'm going to redo this area. Once finished, I'm going to use the same stick to stir the excess out. After about 15 to 20 minutes, I moved them to an area so they were able to cure for the next 24 hours. The next day, I used this Mod Podge glass spray sealant to seal the paints to the glass. You can epoxy your glasses if you'd like, but I was okay with sealing each of these with the spray. And here are the finished products. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on using the Marabou Easy Marble paints. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more in our future. We'll see you again in the next tutorial.